Hello student, I am Satish Tyagi to teach you physics, some important formula, class 12, chapter number 4, part number 3. I have tell you 10 formula of this chapter in before 2 videos. Now I am telling to you formula number 11. Formula number 11 is Lorentz force. When a charge is moving, in magnetic field, B and velocity V, and electric field. When a charge is moving, an electric field, magnetic field with velocity V, then the force of the charge F equal to Q bracket vector E plus vector V cross vector B. This is the formula. If a charge is moving with velocity V in magnetic field B and electric field E, then the force of the charge F equal to Q bracket vector E plus vector V cross vector B. Now I am telling to you formula number 12. Force on a current carrying conductor in a uniform magnetic field. Suppose the magnetic field is this position and a wire is which current I is flow and magnetic field is B, then the force of the wire F equal to I L B sin theta, where I is the current of the flow, current of the wire, L is the length of the wire, and theta is the between the wire and magnetic field. Then the force of the wire F equal to ILB sin theta. Now I am telling to you formula number 13. The formula number 13 force between two parallel plate carrying conductor. Formula number 13. Suppose two wires are parallel to each other. Suppose current I1 is in this direction and current I2 is in this direction, and magnetic and force between F per unit length, force between F per unit length, F equal to mu naught upon 2 pi I1 I2 upon R. R is the distance between the wire, perpendicular distance. And if the force is same direction, then the force is attractive. If I1 and I2 is same direction, then the force per unit length, per unit length is attractive, attractive, and if the direction is opposite, and if the direction is opposite, direction is opposite, direction is opposite of the current, then the force will be repulsive, then force per unit length, force per unit length is repulsive. Now I am telling it to you again. Suppose two wire are parallel and current I1 and I2 are flow in the same direction and distance between the wire is R. Then the force per unit length, this is the force per unit length, equal to mu naught upon 2 pi I1 I2 upon R. Here the direction of the current is same direction, so the force between the wire is attractive, and if the direction is opposite, then the force per unit length is repulsive. Formula both say condition is same. This. Now I am telling to you formula number 14. Formula number 14 is formula number 14. Formula number 14 is torque expressed by a current loop in a uniform magnetic field. टॉर्क लग रहा है बाई ए करंट लूप, एक लूप है उस पर टॉर्क लग रहा है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में, तो टॉर्क कितना होगा ये बताना है। तो टॉर्क इक्वल टू होगा, टॉर्क इक्वल टू एन आई ए बी साइन थीटा। This is the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field B. So let number of loop is n of the loop, and I is the current in this loop, and A is the area of the loop, and B is the magnetic field, and sin theta, theta is the angle between A and B. Again I am telling to you, let number of turn are n, and I is the current in each turn, A is the area of the each turn, B is the magnetic field, and theta is between A and B. Then the formula of the torque equal to tau equal to n I a b sin theta. Now I am telling to you formula number 15. Formula number 15. Instantaneous power P equal to vector F dot vector V. If force and velocity given are given, then the instantaneous power P equal to vector F dot vector V. I have tell you 15 formula of this chapter, and others formula I tell you in next videos. Thank you.